Today, I'm diving into the ultimate repair showdown to see which phone really costs more to fix, the iPhone or the Samsung. Let's find out. When it comes to phone repair costs, it's a huge deal. I mean, think about it. We're all guilty of dropping our phones, cracking screens, or spilling coffee on them. And before you know it, you're shelling out big bucks to get it fixed. But have you ever stopped to think which brand is actually more expensive to repair? That's what we're going to find out today. So, let's set the stage. Both iPhone and Samsung users have their fair share of repair woes. Cracked screens, dead batteries, water damage. It's a never-ending battle to keep our phones in top shape. And let's be real, it's not just about the cost of the repair itself. It's also about the hassle and downtime that comes with it. Whether you're an iPhone loyalist or a Samsung superfan, at some point, you're going to need to fix your phone. But which one is going to cost you more? From shattered screens to faulty charging ports, there are countless ways our phones can malfunction. And when it comes to repairs, iPhone users often complain about the high cost of replacement parts, while Samsung users bemoan the complexity of their phone's design, making repairs a nightmare. But which brand takes the cake when it comes to repair costs? Let's dive into some hard numbers. When it comes to screen replacements, the iPhone 13 Pro screen repair can set you back a whopping $329, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's screen repair is a more reasonable $219. But what about battery replacements? The iPhone 12's battery replacement will cost you around $69, while the Samsung Galaxy S21's battery replacement is a steal at just $49. And what about other common repairs, like charging ports or camera lenses? The costs add up quickly, and it's clear that both brands have their pricey pitfalls. But what about the bigger picture? When you average out the cost of common repairs across different models, which brand comes out on top? Well, the results might surprise you. After crunching the numbers, it's clear that Samsung phones tend to be cheaper to repair overall, with an average repair cost of around $220. iPhones, on the other hand, come in at a whopping $280 on average. That's a $60 difference, folks. So what does it all mean? Well, for starters, if you're in the market for a new phone, it's clear that Samsung might be the more budget-friendly option when it comes to repairs. But it's not all about the cost. It's also about the hassle and inconvenience that comes with phone repairs. And let's be real, both brands have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to repairability. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've ever had a horror story with phone repairs, let us know in the comments below. And if you're curious about more tech-related content, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 phone cameras of the year. Link in the description below.